going to do is I'm going to pour a little bit in his body so you can see his back. Let's get a nice little bit in there. And then the hard part. I want to get some in with the head, so what I do is I pinch the cup and get it down inside the cavity there. If it overflows into the body, that's fine. It just adds to the, you know what, let's do it this way too. Let's give it a little streak all the way down its back. Yeah, so that's what we'll do. Is we give him a streak all the way down his back. We'll let that dry. Come back in about 12 to 24 hours. And what we'll do is we'll add a solid color to it. Not quite sure what color we're going to go with yet. But yeah, that's pretty much it for right now. Just managing the bubbles, you know, put a little bit more in just to give it that extra flair. So what we'll do is we'll let this sit and come back to it in about 12 to 24 hours. Please like, share, follow. I want to give a thanks to all my subscribers who have bought me a coffee. Without you guys, none of this would be possible. So thank you again, and I will see you in 24 hours. brief little section where there's some music. But, so, yeah, let's get to the demold. I went with black mica powder in this one. So, this will be a quick little video just to show you what he looks like. Taking a break from the frogs. Everybody seems to like my frog videos, so I decided to do this little guy. See how he turns out. Sometimes these molds are a pain to get off, especially when you got these little itty bitty fingers. Sorry about that, I'm getting over a cold here. I mean to keep coughing while I'm doing this. There we go. A couple little air bubbles down here. But for the most part, it looks pretty decent. So, yeah, and that's what he turned out like. It's got some air bubbles inside there, but they actually look pretty neat. So, yeah, this actually turned out pretty well. I'm actually quite impressed with this guy. So, he'll go on the shelf with the rest. Must have had some leftover gold in there from the first time. But, you know, it adds to it. Makes it look pretty neat. I like how it sparkles. So, I think the next time I'm going to try and figure out a way to do something to his eyes so his eyes stand out more. But yeah, that's it. That's the final project. Like, share, follow, and thank you for all my members who have bought me a coffee. Without that help, you guys, I wouldn't be able to do any of this. So thank you again, and see you for the next one.